This video will explain how to properly install the riser on the Profile UltraFast Combo Washer and Dryer. To complete this installation, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, T15 Torx driver, 5/8 inch or 16 mm open-end wrench, level, safety glasses, and safety gloves. The Profile UltraFast Combo is only compatible with a riser and should not be installed on a pedestal. It is critical that the shipping bolts and brackets only be removed after the combo has been installed on the riser and will remain upright. Removing the shipping hardware too early could result in damage to the combo. Align the rear bracket as shown with the mounting holes in the riser. The bracket should sit fully on the riser and not overhang. Note that the bracket can also be aligned to the mounting holes and positioned to overhang the riser rear edge. This is the incorrect position. Secure the bracket on both sides with the provided hex head screws. Now install the front riser bracket on both sides as shown. Lean the riser onto its back. Fully install all 4 leveling legs. Next, lay the combo onto its back on a protected surface. Install the front brackets onto the combo by lining up the 2 bracket holes on the unit with the 2 outermost holes on the bracket as shown. The bracket should not go beyond the edge of the unit. Secure the bracket to the combo by partially installing the top screw. Fasten the bottom screw completely and then return to the top screw and completely tighten. Repeat for the other side. Now install the rear brackets onto the combo by lining up the bracket with the 2 holes as shown. Secure the bracket in place by partially installing the top screw. Fasten the bottom screw completely and then return to the top screw and completely tighten. Repeat for the other side. Next, pick up the riser and hook the front brackets of the riser onto the front brackets of the combo. The brackets must be properly seated. Make sure that the rear brackets of the riser align with the rear brackets of the combo. The rear combo brackets should be on the inside of the rear riser brackets. Loosely fasten all 4 bracket pairs with the provided Torx screws. Do not fasten completely. Now, carefully stand the combo upright. When the combo with riser is near the final installation location, ensure that it is completely level front to back and side to side. Adjust the leveling legs as needed on the riser. Ensure that you tighten the leg lock nuts to the base of the riser to minimize vibration. Completely secure the front and rear bracket screws on both sides. Next, lower the combo leveling legs so that they make full contact with the riser. It is important that all 4 legs are snugly tightened to the top of the riser. Lastly, it is now safe to remove the shipping hardware from the combo. Consult the GE Appliances shipping bolt and bracket removal video for assistance with removing the shipping hardware. Please consult the riser installation instructions for more information.